Hi, I'm Mo from Go Play Sandwell. Welcome to another Super Sundays activity. Today's activity, we want to create an obstacle course in your back garden, your front garden, using various things. Okay. What we've used today, we've used 4 hoops. If you haven't got hoops, you can draw maybe a chalk circle or use obstacles to make a circle. And then you've got to jump in and out of all of those. Come to here. You've got a skipping rope. Hopefully you've got a skipping rope. So that's 10 skips. If you haven't got a skipping rope, you just want you to jog on the spot 10 times. Okay? Then over here, we've got 4 different things here. We've got 2 empty cartons. We've got a little welly, and we've got a little cup. And all we've got to do there is from about here, throw them in and see if you can get them in there. Then we've got, and all I want you to do from here now is you're just going to run in and out, all the way along there, and then along this line, you're going to try and walk in a straight line without falling off. Game over. And then we can do it with your family and your friends. Okay, so shall we have a quick go now? Ready? So we start off here. Here we go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Skipping rope. Leg. From there. From here. We've got the obstacle course. Obstacle, see if we can get them in the back. Ooh, that was close. Yes, nearly. Missed out. And go round, in and out, in and out, in and out. And then walk in a straight line. Thank you. Game over. So once you've done that, see if you can get mum and dad to do it as well. Thank you.